Hey, this is Jazz with Jazz Up Your Credit. I'm super excited to announce I just ordered my brand new black card, guys. Yeah, I just got a black card. Now, this card is the Z card, and I am extremely excited about the benefits of this card. It's like having an American Express card, but instead of having to have about $7,000 to $8,000 and a credit score of 800 to get that card, there's ways that you can get approved for this card and you don't need that kind of money or credit score. And it's an invite only card. So if you need trade lines or lines of credit established, I've got my hands on something very exciting that will help you a lot. And mine is in the mail. It will be here hopefully by Wednesday, Thursday of this week. And then I can actually physically show you guys the feature of the card. But I'm just super excited about this. So I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, what is a trade line? What is this black card? So I learned about trade lines basically because I've been working on my credit and restoring my credit for some time now, and I'm looking for an extra boost to my score to open up more credit and to have more credit available to me. So what a trade line does is it provides you with a history of outstanding credit for 1 year. So this gives you 1 year of credit history that has positively been reported and impacting your credit, or so it will appear on your credit report. And you're going to have that year of history now because of the Z card. So the card is going to open up these benefits for you, give you more credit, and just by getting the card is going to add several points to your credit report. Like, I'm looking personally for like a increase of like 50 to 100 points or even more possibly, which is going to take me to exciting places with my score, especially with all the success I've already had doing credit repair. So this is a nice add-on feature that I'm really excited about right now. So I want to tell you guys about it because it's a new feature. It's a brand new product that is being launched, and it has already helped a lot of people. So I know a lot of people have actually come to me asking about trade lines and how to establish lines of credit. And for me, I've been doing it the good way of doing it, which is you basically, if you don't have credit or have low credit, you want to start with maybe a secure card if that's where you're at, and then work up to one of the other cards. So I've just been consistently paying my credit card bill, keeping my utilization below 35%, and paying my bill on time, and that, has given me a positive boost to my credit history. But now I'm just looking for that next thing to really take me over the edge and give me more of a line of credit, and that's why I'm excited about trade lines. So this can give you a established line of credit that will already be in position. So if you also want to rent a car, you can use the card and use it to rent a car. It's a debit card, but it has features like a credit card. This is a new, unique, innovative product. It's a metal card. When you go and you make a purchase and you have that card and you drop it on the counter, people are going to hear that and be like, okay, what is that? And how did you get it? And I want it. Because that's exactly how I felt when I saw it. It's a card that weighs an ounce. And most cards, typical Visa or MasterCards, including the American Express, including the American Express black card, also weighs 0.5 ounces. Like mostly all other cards weigh that. So this has like an extra weight to it. It has a real classy feel to it, and it has some really classy and luxurious features as well that's going to give you that VIP kind of feel, and even that VIP lifestyle if that's what you're looking for. So the trade lines start at $1,000, and that's the line of credit that is available. Now the next line of credit is $2,500. That's going to be your next line of credit. And then you have $5,000, which is what I got. So I went ahead and paid $70 to have $5,000 of credit added to my credit history. Now that's added to all 3 credit bureaus, not just one. Okay, so I got started today on May 12th, and I'm going to see that added to my credit history sometime in June. So anybody who's getting started now is going to see that trade line added to their credit history in June. So that's why I got started now, because I'm looking to have these results as soon as possible. So I'm relating my personal experience, upgrades on what I'm doing, and my excitement about Z Black Card, because this is a very luxurious card with a luxurious lifestyle and benefits. It also has a gas reward program where I am going to be receiving gas points to the card. And one of the other features you will see with the card is its unique benefits as far as credit available to you. So definitely check out my link below for more details, and you can get started. The card is $20 to order the card, $10 for the shipping, and $70 for that combo program. Now you can get up to $10,000 available to you as a line of credit. So all of those features will be on the website below. My personal features are the ones that I told you about. I got the Elite Luxury card is the one that I ordered. So I ordered that one, but you can order the $20 card to start with. I paid $100 for that card because I love that luxurious feel. So I'm excited, and I'm going to keep you guys posted about Z Black Card and all the exciting developments. And if you need help with your credit repair, I will also leave that link down below so you can get the most maximum benefit to your score the quickest possible way. Thank you for checking out Jazz Up Your Credit. I'm Jazz, and I'll see you soon.